What truly sets Grand Mirage apart is our dedication to quality. The precision in each action, the attention to every detail. We've handpicked the finest materials and employed top-notch craftsmanship to ensure that your home is not only beautiful, but enduring. Your home will not be only aesthetically pleasing, but built to last for generations. Imagine waking up every day to a home that's been crafted with such dedication. A home where every wall, every fixture speaks of quality and attention to detail. Grand Mirage is more than just a place to live. It's a place where every moment is an experience in quality and luxury. This isn't just construction, it's the crafting of a legacy. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views, indulging in world-class amenities, and being part of a vibrant community. This dream can be your reality. Take advantage of our limited off-plan offers and secure your apartment today. Whether you're seeking a new home or an investment, Grand Mirage is where your future thrives. Don't wait. Your gateway to unparalleled living awaits.